We all have emotions, right? Joy, sadness, excitement, feeling drained. It's all just part of being human. But what happens when those feelings get dialed up to the extreme? What happens when that emotional landscape becomes a roller coaster you can't get off of? That's what we're going to get into today.
I mean, really think about that for a second. We're not just talking about having a good day followed by a bad one. We're talking about a ride with such powerful highs and crushing lows that it feels like the track is just gone and you have absolutely no control.
So, to really get a handle on this, I want you to picture it with me. Let's look at the two opposite ends of this journey, the two poles of this whole experience. On one side, you have the peak. You feel totally invincible, like you can do anything. You are just buzzing with energy. Ideas are flying a mile a minute. The world seems brighter. But then, the crash. You plummet into the other side, the valley. And that feeling of being invincible, it's replaced by this deep, heavy exhaustion. All that energy is just gone. And you're left feeling completely and utterly hopeless. And here's the thing, and this is so important. What we've just described, this massive swing between the peak and the valley, it isn't just someone being moody. It's not a personality quirk. This is a very real, recognized medical condition that millions of people live with every single day. And that condition has a name: bipolar disorder. And look at the definition here. It's all about these severe shifts, not just in your mood, feeling happy or sad, but in your energy too, your actual ability to function, to think, to get through the day. It's a change that affects your whole system. And this isn't some incredibly rare thing either. Just look at this number: 1 in 40. That means in an average room of 40 adults, at your job, in a college class, statistically, one of those people is living with this condition. It's way more common than most of us think.
Okay, so let's break this down into a few key takeaways. First, and this is huge, it's a spectrum. That means bipolar disorder doesn't look the same for everyone. It's a unique experience. Second, we have to keep saying it. It involves both mood and energy. You can't separate the two. And third, it very often comes with anxiety, which, just adds another really tough layer to the whole experience.
This quote, it just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? We all have ups and downs. That's life. But for someone with bipolar disorder, it's completely different. This isn't a choice or a flaw in their character. It is a genuine biological battle that's being fought inside their own mind and body. So that leaves us with this final, really important question. Knowing all this, knowing these struggles are real, that they're common, and that they're often totally invisible to the rest of us, how can we do better? How can we cultivate a little more understanding for the battles that we just can't see? It's definitely something worth thinking about.